How are you tonight, all right? It's getting nice and warm tonight, I do believe, Iceland. Do you want to know when... Oh, you probably don't want to know. I'm going to tell you anyway. The first time I ever saw Iron Maiden, I was in a band, another band called Samson. And I saw Iron Maiden, and they played this next song. And the next song is something that we haven't played for a long time. But for many years, it was the song which, if you liked Iron Maiden, you had to like this song. If you didn't like this song, you didn't understand Iron Maiden. And we haven't played this song for a long time. I'm going to play it for you now. It fucking rocks. Be afraid, be very afraid. The Phantom of the Opera! False mask. You know and I know that you ain't got that life to list. Your looks and your feelings are just the remains of your past. Standing in the wings here, you wait for the curtain to fall. Knowing the terror and holding you hard on a soul. I know that you're gonna stretch me and make me unroll. You know I'm helpless for your mesmerizing cackle. Distance, walk away, don't take his bait. Don't you stray, don't fade away. Watch your step, he's out to get you. Come what may, don't you stray from the narrow way. I'm running and hiding in my dreams, you're always there. You're the phantom of the opera, you're the devil, you're just out to scare. You're damaged, not by the soul, it just flows through the air.